So to fix this problem, what you have to do is to search for your settings app. So when you find your settings app, then you tap on it. So tap on your settings app. Now what you have to do is to scroll down and try to search for apps and notifications. When you find it, just tap on it. And after that, you're going to be around this place. So when you get over here, tap on the see your apps. After that, try to search for your Gmail app. So tap on the search apps over here, then type in Gmail and tap on it when it appears. Now, tap on the storage and cache, and tap on the clear cache. Go back and tap on force stop, then tap on OK. After doing this, what you have to do is to tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi. Then after that, tap on background data when it's off. You have to tap on it to turn it on like this. After turning it on, go back to your Google Play Store app and try to search for your Gmail app. So as you can see, this is my Gmail app and I've searched for it and this is it. So what I have to do is to tap on it. So when you tap on it, try to update your Gmail app. You have to get the latest update of Gmail app. So if you don't have the latest update of Gmail app, then tap on the update that you are seeing over here. When you can't find updates, but rather you can see open, just leave it like that. Don't tap on it to open it, but rather what you have to do lastly is to restart or reboot your device. So to restart or reboot your device, you have to pass through this process. First of all, you have to tap on your power button for some while, and this is going to pop up. When it pop ups, just tap on your restart or tap on OK. Do you get me? So when you tap on restart, then you tap on OK, and this problem is going to be fixed after your device have been restart or reboot. Thank you very much for watching this video. Hope this video has been helpful to you. See you in the next one.